In this video today, we will see what to do if random ads appear on your Samsung device, which covers the whole screen of your device. Now the ads can appear because of the application that you have installed, or it can appear when you visit any website. So the first thing that you will do is, if you remember you had installed an application and after that you started to get those random ads, then what you do is uninstall the application. If you want to uninstall the application, just you tap and hold on the application and then select uninstall. So this is one thing you can do. The next thing that you can do is, you can go to settings here, scroll down and go to this apps, and here you will see the list of all the applications that you have installed. So here you have to carefully scroll down and you have to look for the app which doesn't have this kind of logo, or it doesn't have any name. You might see the logo blank, you may not see the name, you can only see the space it has occupied. So if you see any kind of application like that, that means that application is the culprit. So what you do is tap on that application and then uninstall. Now after this, the other thing that you can do is, you can block ads that appear when you are surfing internet with web browser. Now if you are using Samsung, then you might be using Samsung internet browser. So what you do is, open the Samsung internet browser, tap on this icon here at the bottom, go to ad blockers and download any ad blocker for this browser. So what happens when you download the ad block for the Samsung internet browser, then the ads won't open when you surf the internet. Now suppose if you are using Chrome browser, then what you do is, go to the Chrome browser application, open it, tap on these three dotted icons at the top, go to this option settings, scroll down and you have to go to this option site settings, scroll down and you have this option here, pop-ups and redirect. Tap and make sure to disable this option, pop-ups and redirect. Disable this option. Again, let's go back, and if you see there is an option here, intrusive ads, open it, and if you enable this option, the ads will show on your web browser. So what you do is disable this option, intrusive ads. So do all of these things and hopefully you won't get ads that cover the screen from next time. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.